Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Terry. I'm in the urban garden today and I got a special fun project for you. So today I have two helpers with me, Romeo, my mini pen, and Roland. We're going to show you how to make a Dollar Tree stackable vertical planter. Okay, so let's get started. Let's talk about these stackables. Okay, I know you've seen these stackables on a couple other YouTube channels. These go as high as $139, and I've also seen it for $32 in the terracotta color. I was super excited when Tiffany from Team Benson showed these on her channel. I will link her channel up above in the right hand corner. I had to run to the dollar store and try to find these. It took me about 5 Dollar Trees to find them. I finally found a Dollar Tree up north by my farm and I was able to grab about 12. If you're like me and you're limited on space, this is perfect for strawberries, herbs, just about anything. And for the original ones, they are kind of pricey. For $7 or $8, you cannot beat that. So I'm putting the soil, but I'm also putting leaves in the middle so they can break down for nutrition. And it's also a great filler because when you stack them, there's not really a plant going right there in the middle unless you're doing the very top one. You're going to see I didn't do a lot of transplanting. I'm going to do a lot of direct sowing for my lavender and a couple other flowers and herbs. The ones for my strawberries, I'm probably going to stack 3 high and I'm going to paint those probably like a turquoise fun color. I also bought this terracotta colored pot to stick one of the herbs inside it, or maybe even put some soil and direct sow some seeds, and to top it off to put it in the middle. I thought it looked really cute that way, but you can also just grow things in the middle too as well on the top. Now you can also put E6000 on the bottom, and then when you stack it, it will stick together and it probably wouldn't, I don't know, rock in the wind. But I'm gonna be probably taking mine up north, so I need to be able to tear it down. I just adore the terracotta colored little pot up top. I thought it was gorgeous when it was said and done. I love it. You cannot beat the price. $8 versus $139. It is a fun copycat dupe of the stackable vertical planter. Now, like I said, you don't have to have that pot up top. You can take it off, throw you some zinnias up there or something that grows tall like kale, and top off the top, and it would be beautiful. I will leave a link down below to my little water bottle that I spray my seedlings with. I just love it. It is glass and it is awesome to give your plants a little bath. I hope you enjoyed this Dollar Tree inspired dupe, the vertical stackable planter. I really had fun making it, and you can save some money. Go buy you some seeds with that money saved. Thanks for stopping by. I really enjoyed having you here. God bless. Bye bye.